Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about the pricing the materials issued on the basis of weighted average method. Here a problem was given that we are going to prepare the ledger account showing the receipts and issues basis of weighted average method. Here the receipts are on 3rd October there is a purchase of 500 units, and also on 13th October there is a purchase on 900 units. On 23rd October there is a purchase of 600 units. The rate is also given, and also the issues are on 5th October issued 400 units, on 15th October issued 400 units, and also on 25th October issued 600 units. As we all well known how to frame these columns from the previous videos. So now let me move to the question that on 3rd October we are having the receipt of 500 units at rupees 4, and that by multiplying these two we will write the amount as 2000. So we can gently copy these entries in the balance column. 500 units at rupees 4 and the total amount is 2000. On 5th October there is a issue of 400 units. So actually we are going to prepare a ledger account using weighted average method. So here we are having only one option for the issue, that is we are having only one rate, that is rupees 4 only. So there is no issues on thinking of how we are going to issue this quantity. So we will write only 4 here. So this 400 units at rupees 4 and the 1600. The amount is 1600. By gently we can deduct this 400 from this 500. We will write the 100 units here, and the rate is rupees 4 and the balance is rupees 400. The balance amount is 400. When we are moving to the formula, there is if we are having 2 or more amounts in the rate, if you are having 2 or more amount of rates only, we will move to the formula. So we are having a formula for calculating the price. Here comes the formula for weighted average pricing, that is equal to value of materials in stock. The formula is value of materials in stock divided by quantity in stock. So by using this formula we can calculate the rate for issue. Now we have learned the formula. Next to see here on 13th October there is a receipt of 900 units at rupees 4 rupees 30 pies, and the total amount is 3870. By adding these two, 900 units plus 100 units, we will write here as 1000 units. And now we are in the position of writing the rate here. Now we have to decide which amount we are going to write here. So now we have to move to the formula. After calculating the rate from the formula, we have to write here, right? So we are going to write according to the formula. So 100 units into rupees 4. It is in the our statement, plus 900 units into 4.30 divided by 100 plus 900 units. So finally we will get rupees 4270 divided by 1000 units. So by dividing this we will get rupees 4.2. By using the formula we have calculated the rate as 4.27. So we can substitute this 4.27 here. By multiplying these two we will write here 4270. So now on 15th October there is an issue of 600 units. We can issue the 600 units at the rate of rupees 4.27. We will get, by multiplying these two we will get 2562. So by deducting this 600 units with this 1000 units, we will write here as 400 units, right? 400 units, the rate is 4.27. By multiplying these two we can write here as 1780. Next on 23rd October there is a receipt of 600 units. There is a receipt of 600 units at rupees 3.80. At rupees 3.80, by multiplying these two we can write here as 2280, and we have to add here the 600 units along with this 400 units. We can write here as 1000 units. And now we are in the place of finding the rate. How we have to find this rate? By using the formula. Now we are going to put in the formula. 400 units into rupees 4.27 plus 600 units into 3.80. This is according to our formula. Divided by 400 plus 600 units, we will get rupees 3988 divided by 1000. So finally, we will get the rate as rupees 3.988. We are going to place this rate there and we are going to calculate. Right, we have calculated the rate as 3.988. Now we are going to write here 1000 into 3.988. By multiplying these two, we will write here 3988. So next, on 25th October, there is issues of 600 units at the rate of 3.988. The total amount is 2393. By deducting the 600 units along with this 1000, we will get here 400 units and the rate is 3.988. The total amount we are having is 1595. So when it was asked in the question to write about the closing stock, we have to write the closing stock. Our closing balance is 400 units at the rate of 3.988 and our total amount is 1595. By using this weighted average pricing formula, we can calculate that we can write this ledger account.